Want to invite someone in Chinese? Here are 30 natural ways to say, "Do you want to?" so you can sound like a native, not a textbook. Let's go.
Do you want to learn Chinese?
你想学中文吗？
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 Do you want to learn English?
你想学英语吗？
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 Do you want to practice speaking?
你想练习口语吗？
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 Do you want to hear a story?
你想听一个故事吗？
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 Do you want to read this book?
你想读这本书吗？
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 Do you want to write Chinese characters?
你想写汉字吗？
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 Do you want to do this exercise?
你想做这个练习吗？
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 Do you want to review a little?
你想复习一下吗？
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 Do you want to watch this video?
你想看这个视频吗？
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 Do you want me to explain?
你想听我解释吗？
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 Do you want to buy this?
你想买这个吗？
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 Do you want to try this?
你想试试这个吗？
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 Do you want to take a look at this?
你想看看这个吗？
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 Do you want to go to the supermarket?
你想去超市吗？
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 Do you want to go to the park?
你想去公园吗？
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 Do you want to travel?
你想去旅行吗？
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 Do you want to go home?
你想回家吗？
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 Do you want to sleep earlier?
你想早点睡吗？
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 Do you want to change places?
你想换个地方吗？
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 Do you want to sit here?
你想坐这里吗？
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 Do you want to rest for a while?
你想休息一会儿吗？
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 Do you want some hot water?
你想喝点热水吗？
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 Do you want something to eat?
你想吃点东西吗？
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 Do you want me to help you?
你想我帮你吗？
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 Do you want me to explain?
你想让我解释吗？
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 Do you want to tell me?
你想告诉我吗？
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 Do you want to try again?
你想再试一次吗？
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 Do you want it a bit slower?
你想慢一点吗？
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 Do you want to continue?
你想继续吗？
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 Do you want to start now?
你想现在开始吗？
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 Great job! Now, try to make your own sentence in the comments, and I'll help you improve it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Start Chinese Today for more natural Mandarin lessons. See you next time.